Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to do a cartwheel from literally day one to when you master this. So don't worry, I've gone through everything and I will show you, and you will not be like, oh no, why is she so much better than me on day one already? She's already going better than me and I'm horrible. Do not go like that, do not worry. I'll stay at the level for day one, day two, 1 week and everything, but I cannot do 24 hours plus 24 hours per day. So yeah, and I haven't posted anything lately because me and my family just went on a trip for over a year, finally. So yeah, we went to San Diego, LA, Los Angeles, which is San Diego. Wait, okay, I can't speak English. So the airport is in what?
A few moments later.
LA, but I have a different video for that. I will edit that later, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this cartwheel, and don't forget to click subscribe right there. And the notification bell. There's the GIF up right there, so don't miss it out. Every single person who views this video, please like it. Like. And subscribe, notification bell. Every single person who watches this video. Every single person. Okay, thank you very much, and let's head on to the video. Froggie cart is where you have bent legs and do a mini cartwheel, and I actually practice it 50 times a day, which helps me, so you do it about 5 days from day 1 to day 5. Air straddle with bent legs from day 5 to day 7, so you do it about 2 days. So you basically push up, and then you have a small straddle with bent legs, and the next step we'll work on big straddles and not bent legs. Okay, another air straddle, but this one we work on our big straddles like that I'm doing right there, but we're doing it in the air. So we do that for 2 days. Again, keep on practicing, and you will soon reach perfection. Maybe not real perfection, but goodness. Boom, fast cartwheel. But your professional fast cartwheel, you can do a fast cartwheel, but for a professional fast cartwheel, you have to master the slow and steady cartwheel first. But for your unsteady fast cartwheel, I want you to do a fast one, but not steady yet. And keep on practicing. Now we're on to trying to master our slow and perfect cartwheel. We do that for 1 day like our other step before this. Keep on trying to master that one I just did was wrong, and the one I'm going to do is good. I want you to have a steady structure and keep on practicing. Thank you.